I need a bigger frame. So I've got a bunch of projects coming up and they're all, since I stick usually to the same colorways a lot of the time, I'm trying to streamline my process a little more, and I think it's about time for me to make that a bigger frame. It's time to get a big boy going. Let's get some big boy toys. Let's get some wood. The bases of our frame done. Now I just need to make some legs. Shouldn't be too hard. Hopefully. All right, so now the hard part. I feel like the cutting is the easiest part. Now I have all my pieces cut. I went back to Home Depot and got another board because I didn't have enough for the actual like feet. And I got a wider one, just I felt like that would give me more balance. So I got the feet, the legs, the bracers for the legs, and the frame itself. So, wish me luck. Where's my focus? Oh, hi. Oh my God, this is like the naughtiest wood I've ever worked with in my freaking life. I will not be defeated. Catch, baby, catch. See, it didn't have to be that hard. Jeez. We have legs. So now that I've drilled all of the pilot holes, starter holes, I don't know what they're actually called, starter holes, I can go ahead and actually screw everything together and hopefully it'll make it a lot easier. I have these like construction screws, which have like a bit more of like an actual like aggressive bit on them. No, we're not gonna focus? Okay, yeah, there they go. Like a really aggressive bit on it, so that'll help it too. These, whatever you want to call them, 2x4s, whatever, I don't know. Have some of the most knots I've ever had working with like wood, so any little bit helps. So I have these little scraps that I cut from the edges of, well, from the ends of the boards, and I'm gonna put them in the corners just to help with a little bit of that lateral movement that's happening. Hopefully that works. We gonna see. Oh my gosh, Sam, get everything at one time. Excusez-moi? This is what we're doing. I turn on the camera, I get it nice and close, and now you wanna act like you've never drilled anything before. Sweet! Front of the leg. Clamps! We got a frame! I don't have a real hammer! Ah! Crap! I don't have a real hammer at the studio, and rubber mallet's not gonna cut it. All I have is this rubber mallet, and they're like useless when it comes to actually hammering like detail things, like a nail. Yeah, so I need to go get a real hammer. And then once I put on the carpet tack strips, I'll be all done with my new frame! Hammer acquired. I love it! Yes!
So make that.